which bird, anywhere that animal go, whether it's a bird, whether it's a millipede, any type of animal at all, as far as that is what they are using to trouble your marriage, as you shout amen, I command that animal to die. I said that animal to die. I command that animal to die. I said that animal to die. I said no. If the animal is in the spiritual world, I invoke your spirit now to die. Anywhere that animal is, anywhere it's hiding right now, as I'm speaking right now. Anywhere the animal is right now, as I'm speaking right now. There are birds that flies. They come to your compound all the time. You're chasing a normal bird. It's not normal. Many of those birds are monitoring spirits. They could be the birds they are using to trouble you. That bird shall die.